Hello, I'm Dr. Jennifer Shimola, and I'm the Education and Research Coordinator at the Toledo Area Sanitary District. I've been with the district for 3 years, and we provide mosquito control to Lucas County, Ohio. I provide information to the public about reducing mosquitoes around your home, preventing mosquito bites, and reducing mosquito-borne diseases. I also perform research on our different treatments to determine if they're effective in reducing mosquito populations. And I do that by sampling both larval and adult mosquitoes. That can include me being out in the field, in floodwater, or even in cities, sampling the water in storm sewers or in pools. And I also do some experiments in the lab where I bring mosquitoes back with me and test whether or not they survive different treatments. I wasn't specifically looking for a career in mosquito control, but I was looking for a career related to insects. Um, my interest in insects was sparked by an entomology course that I took in college, and um, what made me so interested in insects is just how diverse and um, interesting their biology and behaviors can be. Mosquitoes, but also insects as a whole, are very diverse, even in Ohio, and that kind of drew me into them. What training did I receive? I received my bachelor's in science, my master's in science, and my PhD in biology. My bachelor's in science was an undergraduate degree, which helped me understand the basics of biology and that background information that would be important to my career. My graduate research was more related to how to perform research, how to analyze data, and basically how to implement the scientific method. What is one fun fact about your career? I think it's a fun fact that there are 30 kinds of mosquitoes in Lucas County. They differ in what kinds of food they eat, what kinds of diseases they can carry, and where they live. Some mosquitoes prefer to feed on mammals, others prefer to feed on birds. There are even some mosquitoes that have been known to feed on leeches, which I think is really neat. The mosquito that's known for carrying West Nile virus in our area is the northern house mosquito. They do prefer to bite birds, but they'll bite mammals as well. And based on their name, you might guess they love to live around our houses. So the best way to control them is to dump water out around our homes. What advice would I give to my 18-year-old self? I would suggest to my 18-year-old self that I diversify my skills. So I'm sure many other STEM professionals are aware that computer science is a very relevant field. But as a biologist or a student of biology, I did not realize that computer science would be so relevant to my day-to-day life. And now I use computer coding in my data analysis on almost a daily basis. And I think developing those skills early would have benefited me. And I'm sure that there are other skills that could have made me a more diverse scientist early on and helped me develop my career. So with that, I hope you have a good week at Girl Power. Thank you.